To do the bobble stitch, you will begin with a chain where the number of chains is a multiple of 3. So for my sample piece, I'm going to do 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So my multiple of 3 is going to be 9. Once you have your multiple of 3, you will then add 1 more stitch. There we go, and you are ready to begin. To begin row 1, we're going to skip this first stitch and work into the second stitch from the hook. And for this row, you're just going to put 1 single crochet into each stitch all the way across. There we go, just a couple more. Make sure you get that very last stitch there. So there it is, 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way across. And now you will chain 1 and turn. And that is row 1. To begin row 2, we're going to start in this first stitch here and do our first bobble stitch. So you'll yarn over, insert your hook, grab your yarn, bring up a loop, grab the yarn, pull through the first 2 loops. Oops, split my yarn. There we go. Okay, so pull through the first 2 loops. You're going to do that 5 times. So there's 1, yarn over, insert hook, bring up a loop, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops. That's 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now I have 6 loops on my hook. I'm going to grab the yarn and pull through all 6 of those loops. Then you'll move to this next stitch here, and we're going to do 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. There's 1 and 2. Okay, now into the next stitch we'll do our next bobble stitch. So yarn over, insert hook, bring up your loop, grab the yarn, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert hook, bring up a loop, grab the yarn, pull through 2. And you'll keep doing that. So that's my 3rd time. So here is 4 and 5. So you do that 5 times. Gives you 6 loops. Grab your yarn, pull through all 6 loops, and then 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. There's 1 and 2. And I'm coming to the end of my row, but I do have room for another bobble stitch here. So yarn over, pull through 2. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Grab the yarn, pull through all 6 of those loops. When you do get to the end of your row, you'll do 2 single crochet. So 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. just like that. And then we will chain 1 and turn. There we go. That is row 1, or row 2. That was row 2. To begin row 3, we're going to start in this first stitch right here, and you will do 1 single crochet into each stitch all the way across. And this will give you a foundation for your next row of bobble stitches. So 1 single crochet in each stitch. Once you've reached the end of your row, you will chain 1 and turn. To begin row 4, you're going to start in this first stitch right here, and you're going to do 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. So there's 1 and 2, and now it's time to do another bobble stitch. So yarn over, insert hook, bring up a loop, grab your yarn, pull through 2. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that should give you 6 loops on your hook. Grab your yarn, pull through all 6 of those loops, then 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. There's 1 and 2, and repeat. So time for next stitch gets a bobble stitch. So yarn over, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Grab your yarn, pull through all 6 loops. I'm going to do 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. And then we're going to put a bobble stitch into this one right here. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pull through all 6 loops. And then we're going to chain 1 and turn. Begin row 5. We're going to do 1 single crochet right into this first stitch here. Oops. That stitch. Okay, so 1 single crochet there, and then you're going to do 1 single crochet all the way across in each stitch. Once you've reached the end of your row, you will chain 1 and turn. row 6, you will start with 1 single crochet into that first stitch, and then you will start your repeating sequence and do 1 bobble stitch. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It gives me 6 loops. Grab the yarn, pull through all 6. 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. And then we're ready for another bobble stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pull through all 6 loops, and then do 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. There we go. And 1 more bobble stitch here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pull through the 6 loops that are on the hook, and that should leave me with 2 stitches. So do 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches, and then chain 1, and you're ready to turn. And as you can see, all your little bubbles are sticking up there. Gives it some nice texture. This would make a great baby blanket, nice and squishy. And there you go. From this point on, you will repeat from row 2. So you'll repeat rows 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 until you've reached the size that you're looking for your work.